side, neighbors becoming family love on subside. We lend a hand and offer a smile, building walls that go the extra mile. Love is the heartbeat of our Kaiga strong. We are united all day long. In kindness and care, we show we truly care. Loving our Kaiga everywhere. From parks to homes we gather round, sharing stories and making common ground. We celebrate our differences too, embracing diversity with love shining through. Love is the heartbeat of our Kaiga strong. We are united all day long. In kindness and care, we show we truly care. Loving our Kaiga everywhere. When one of us struggles, we stand tall, supporting each other through it all. With compassion